Hi there, I will explain you today how to use the scholarships by country feature in picoscholarship.com. So you see here in the top menu you have scholarships by, then choose country. Let's say you want only the scholarships from United States, so you click United States scholarships. You just click on it and then you wait for the page to fully load. You have a short description about United States scholarships, and under it you will see latest active scholarships from United States. That means you will have listed here only scholarships from United States, so you can choose one that is suitable for you. Let's say this niche $2,000 monthly scholarship. You click on it and then you browse it, and here it is how you can find United States scholarships under the scholarships by country feature. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.